the fifth root of unity. So what is the simple way to find? We say z to the power 5 is equal to 1, and 1 can be written as cos of 2k pi plus I sine 2k pi, and that can also be written in Euler's form as e to the power 2k pi I, where k can be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Then we say fifth root, that is z, can be written as cos of 2k pi by 5 plus I sine 2k pi by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the values of fifth root, and hence it can be said that 1 e to the power, that is e to the power 2k. So we can say k is equal to 1, therefore e to the power iota 2 pi by 5 e to the power 4 iota I by 5 e to the power 6 pi iota by 5 e to the power 8 pi iota by 5 is the answer. Now if we can also say e to the power 2 pi iota by 5 is omega, so therefore 1 omega omega square omega cube omega to the power 4 is the answer. Done. Thank you.